Have you ever wondered if a robot could smell? Well, get ready, because the future of robotics is about to get a whole lot more fragrant. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of artificial olfaction robots that can smell. So, how does a machine even begin to perceive odors? It's not magic. It's a brilliant fusion of advanced chemistry and powerful artificial intelligence. Imagine a tiny, sophisticated nose packed with an array of chemical sensors. Each sensor is designed to react to specific molecules floating in the air, much like the olfactory receptors in our own noses. When these sensors detect a scent, they generate a unique electrical signal, creating a digital smell print. But detecting molecules is only half the battle. The real genius lies in the robot's brain and machine learning algorithm. This AI is trained on vast libraries of scent data. It learns to recognize complex patterns and distinguish between thousands, even millions, of different odors. Think of it like a sommelier tasting wine, but instead of a palate, it uses data. It can tell the difference between a freshly baked croissant and a burning one, or identify the subtle notes in a perfume with superhuman precision. Engineers have taken inspiration directly from our own biology. The human nose has about 400 different types of olfactory receptors, allowing us to perceive a vast spectrum of smells. These new robotic systems aim to replicate and even surpass that complexity. By combining different types of sensors, from metal oxide sensors to quartz, crystal microbalances, they can create a multi-layered detection system that is both highly sensitive and incredibly versatile. The AI then processes all this information, using deep learning to refine its understanding of the olfactory world, getting more accurate with every new scent it encounters. The applications for this technology are nothing short of revolutionary, and they start with our safety. Imagine a robot that can enter a disaster zone after an earthquake or a chemical spill. It could instantly detect gas leaks, locate hazardous materials, or even find survivors by sniffing out the specific chemical compounds of human presence, all without risking a single human life. These e-noses can work tirelessly in environments too dangerous for people, providing critical information to first responders and preventing further catastrophes. They are the silent, scent-detecting guardians we never knew we needed. But the impact of smelling robots extends far beyond disaster relief. It's poised to transform medicine as we know it. Did you know that many diseases, including certain cancers and metabolic disorders, produce unique volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, that can be detected in our breath? It's true. For years, scientists have known that trained dogs can smell these changes. Now, robots can do it with even greater accuracy and consistency. A patient could simply breathe into a device, and the AI would analyze the sample, providing a non-invasive early-stage diagnosis in minutes. This could make routine health screenings faster, cheaper, and more accessible to everyone, potentially saving countless lives through early detection. Now, let's move from the hospital to the kitchen. What if your personal chef was a robot that could smell when your steak is perfectly cooked, or when your sauce needs just a pinch more basil? Culinary AI is no longer science fiction. Robots equipped with olfactory sensors can monitor the cooking process in real time. They can smell the Maillard reaction browning your food to perfection, or detect the subtle aromatic changes that signal a dish is ready. This technology could lead to perfectly consistent restaurant meals, or help you create gourmet dishes at home by offering real-time feedback and adjustments. It's like having a Michelin star chef guiding your every move, all based on the power of smell. Beyond a fixed location, how about a robot that can navigate its world using scent? Just like a bloodhound following a trail, these robots can use smell to find their way. Researchers are developing algorithms that allow robots to track a scent plume back to its source. This could be used for environmental monitoring, like finding the origin of a pollutant in a river, or for search and rescue operations, where a robot could follow a scent trail left by a missing person. Imagine a drone flying over a forest, not with a camera, but with a nose, sniffing out the path to a lost hiker. This smell-guided movement opens up entirely new possibilities for autonomous exploration and discovery. The journey to create a perfect robotic nose is ongoing, with engineers and scientists constantly pushing the boundaries. The accuracy of these systems is improving at an exponential rate thanks to advances in deep learning and nanomaterials. Newer sensor arrays are becoming smaller, more sensitive, and capable of detecting even fainter traces of chemicals. The ultimate goal is to create a system that not only matches the human nose but surpasses it in every way, detecting a wider range of smells with greater sensitivity and without getting tired or distracted. So how does a robot nose stack up against our own? A human nose is a biological marvel, finely tuned by millions of years of evolution. We can detect 1 trillion different odors and associate them with powerful memories and emotions. However, we have our limits. Our sense of smell can fatigue, be influenced by our health, and isn't great at quantifying smells. A robot, on the other hand, provides objective, quantifiable data. It doesn't get used to a smell, and its sensitivity can be adjusted for specific tasks. While it may lack the emotional connection we have with scent, its precision and endurance make it an incredibly powerful tool. The future isn't about replacing the human nose, but augmenting our world with a new, powerful sense. So, the next time you catch a whiff of freshly brewed coffee or rain on hot pavement, remember this: a new generation of robots is learning to experience the world in the same way. From saving lives and diagnosing diseases to cooking the perfect meal, the robot that can smell is here. And its potential is as vast and complex as the world of sense itself. Thanks for watching. If you were amazed by the power of the robot nose, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more mind-blowing future tech. We'll see you in the next one.